Good morning, everyone. Am I audible? Please show thumbs up so that I'll start the class. Okay, good. So I was teaching you list, and today again I will continue with the same topic list, and I will take some more points in it. So in my previous class, I have taught you about eval function, and today I will teach you something more on it. Like I say, little bit more I will teach you about eval function. You have used eval as in the string while inputting the data in a string. Now first and foremost, I will share the screen for you. So I will start Python first. Okay, Python is started and I will share the screen also. The screen is shared, Python is here. Now see here, when we write eval, suppose I write it here. Suppose I write it here. Print 5 plus 6 and I will execute this. Run. You will get result here as 5 plus 6 because 5 and 6 are text as it is written in single quotes. Okay. Now what I will do for the next? I will write print eval. That's the use of eval function. 5 plus 6. So it will evaluate that. Okay. Run. Okay. Now see the difference. Here you are getting the result as 11. Is it clear? Eval function evaluates value. If the values are given as like in quotes 5 plus 6, very few students are here. Nischal, Kevin, what's wrong here? Only 3 participants, 2 participants. Nischal, are you there? Unmute yourself. Unmute and talk to me.
Yes, sir.
Initially, students were there. Where the students are gone? Are they having some other class also about same time?
No, sir.
Maybe some coaching class or something like that. They here attend for the attendance and then they leave. So I will keep attendance for only that Nischal and Kevin. That's it. Rest all will be marked absent. So, Kevin, is it clear? Unmute yourself and ask me if you have doubt.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Well function. Okay, good. So here I will again go ahead. This point is very clear, so I will leave this and I'll go to the syllabus point again. So nested list I have taught eval, completed, accessing completed, length function, indexing, okay. Membership operator now. Next you write membership operator. Membership operator. Membership operator. Membership operator. Enter. ठीक है? Membership operator में क्या है? ये लिखिए. Definition. The membership operators in small में in होता है बेटा. In and not in. In and not in operator checks the list members, checks the list member That is, it tells if an element is present, in the list or not. An element is present in the list or not. So I'll give you example for this, and then you will come to know in and not in. In book I will searching some example. If there, I will take book example. Otherwise, I'll give my example. Okay. So not much is given here. No problem. Suppose I'm taking example here. A is equals to square bracket 4, 5, 6, and B is equals to 4, 5. So here I am writing C is equals to A in, yeah, B in A. And I will write print C. This example works or not? Run module. Okay. So what results comes here? False. Okay. Why? I will make change 4, 5, 6. And then I will execute. Run module. Something wrong here. So this operator is not working properly. I will check one example and then I will let you know. Wait. In operator. In and not in operator. Wait for a minute. Wait for a minute. This example is not working properly. It's not showing here any example. In example एक भी नहीं दिया है book में. I'm not able to see anything like in. अभी मैं करता हूँ example तो set कर दूँगा. Just a minute. I will search from here net. In example in a list. Just a minute. It's not showing anything. Example in a list, image list, Python list with example. Example in a list in Python. Python list with example. What is the list? अब इसमें तो ढूंढना है. Just मुझे एक दो example और कर लेने दो. Like I am taking A is equals to square bracket 4, 5, 6, and then I am writing print file in A and result run. Just a minute. True. ठीक है. So this example is working here. Just a minute. मैं resume करूँ. Continue. Resume share. This example is working here. Got it? Nishal. A is equals to 4, 5, 6. I am taking and then I am writing 5 in A. So result is coming here as true. Now suppose if I am taking a 15 in A and then I'll execute. The result is coming false. Kevin, are you getting it? Kevin, are you getting it? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Recording is in progress. Okay. So I will share screen again for you. What happens, Kevin? You are not well or what?
No, sir.
Even I have bad throat, but nothing to worry. कल बोला बहुत था, बहुत सारा पढ़ा दिया था. That's why I was having some problem. So this point is clear to you? In operator, same way if I write it here as not in, not in. Okay. If I write it not in, so effect of this will come as true. So effect of this is true. 15 A में नहीं है. Clear बेटा? Okay. So अब इसके आगे चलते हैं. In और not in operator. Hopefully is clear. जब कोई भी member आप check करना चाहते हैं list में वो है या नहीं है, so आपको simply उस member को लिखना है and then you have to write the name of the list. जैसे मैंने वेरिएबल में दिया था वो असाइन में गड़बड़ कर रहा था, फिर भी मैं एक बार ट्राई कर रहा हूँ. C is equals to, it should print correct result. Let's see. Run module. Okay, it's working but it should give true. सही है. So even this one is working properly. पहले के एग्जाम्पल नहीं चले थे, but now the examples are running perfectly. Okay. So in means if the member is there in the list, not in if member is not there in the list. That's it. Come to the next point. Next point will come here as syllabus point पढ़ाना बहुत जरूरी है. Next I am taking here some comparison operator. Comparison operator. So these are less than, greater than, relational operator which you use greater than, equals to, and so on. So here I am using, understood what I am teaching you now? Comparison operators. Okay, comparison operators कौन से बेटा? Less than, greater than, less than equals to, greater than equals to, equal equals to, not equals to. These all are your comparison operator, correct? Michelle, Kevin? Okay. So now I am taking example of it. Suppose I am having a list A is equals to 4, 5, 6, anything. And then I am having B is equals to 4, 5, 6. And then I am writing here print A equals to B. We are comparing two lists. Comparing two lists. The result is coming true, 100% accurate. Now if I am taking here 4, 5 and then I am comparing it, the result is coming false. Got it? Okay. अब हमने यहाँ पे एक वैल्यू ली, सपोज 7. ध्यान देना. And then I am writing here A greater than B. Run. Result is coming as false because it is checking the first value. 4 is not greater than 7. Now if I write it here as, though A is having 3 elements, run. What result you are getting? 4 is less than 7. पहले element से it will start checking the list. Are you getting my point? When you use comparison operator less than, greater than, first element is checked with the first, second is checked with the second. Suppose एक example हो, ये भी 4 है, ये भी 5 है. 4 लेस देन 4 नहीं है, 5 लेस देन 5 नहीं है, या ग्रेटर नहीं है, जो भी समझो. And then here I am using suppose 3. तो आंसर क्या आएगा? 6 लेस देन 3 है. फॉल्स आंसर आया. क्यों आया? 4 लेस देन 4 नहीं है. सपोज हियर आई एम राइटिंग a लेस देन इक्वल्स टू b. तो 4 लेस नहीं बराबर तो है, 5 लेस बराबर नहीं है, 6. ठीक है ना? तो फॉल्स रिजल्ट आएगा. एंड इफ आई टेक इट एज 13 सपोज, तो ये दोनों बराबर तो है, मगर 6 लेस है. रिजल्ट विल कम एज ट्रू. वेट, result is coming as true. ठीक है? So you understood all the operators, less than, greater than, equals to, not equals to. If I write it here as a नहीं है बराबर b के, तो 4 और 5 बराबर है, but 6 and 13 बराबर नहीं है, so result आएगा true. Okay, this is the all the different ways I've taught you how to compare your list and get the result either true or false. When you compare two values, remember you get only two results, either true or false. Comparison हमेशा एक logical condition होती है, that you know. कि जब हम दो चीज को compare करते हैं तो हमेशा logical result आएगा, either true or false. Okay, so this much is clear. देखो मैं बिल्कुल syllabus point से आगे बढ़ रहा हूँ. Next, I am teaching you joining list. Joining list. Please आप सारे points को लिखते जाना. ये part of syllabus है. Joining list. Okay. So लिखो यहाँ पे. To join two lists, to join lists, two क्यों लिखो? list बहुत सारी हो सकती है. We use concatenation operator, that is plus sign. Okay, this I am putting in triple quotes. A is equals to square bracket B is equals to ठीक है, and then I write C is equals to A plus B and print C. Run. So C is having 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 3, 4, 9. Means two strings are joined and stored in the third list, that is C. Two lists are joined and stored in the third list, that is C, and the C value is 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 3, 4, 9. समझ में आ गया कॉन्सेप्ट? आप चाहो तो इसको और भी लिस्ट लेके इसको आगे भी कर सकते हो. सपोज मैंने एक ले लिया, D is equals to 10, 100, 200, and then चाहे तो मैं प्रिंट भी कर सकता हूँ डायरेक्टली. प्रिंट C, whatever the value of C, उसके साथ D ऐड होके डिस्प्ले हो जाएगा. So एक पॉइंट यहाँ पे याद कराना जरूरी है. Now see here, this is the first result, that is C result, and this is D result. Clear? समझ में आ गया? Okay. अब आप एक बात का ध्यान रखना, निश्चल एंड केविन, when you are adding to list, means the first or second list, whatever you are giving the after the first list is added to the first list. That is, if you are giving A plus B, B is added to A. If you are giving C plus D, that means D is added at the end of C. Now suppose the next program which I am going to give you is not a concatenation. I want to add some values to a list. अब ध्यान रखना ये प्रोग्राम अलग है. Suppose we have a list A is equals to 4, 5, 6, 8. Okay. And I want to add 10 to each element. If I write it here as print A plus 10, result देखो, ध्यान से देखना. Can only concatenate, not into list. क्या लिखा हुआ है यार? You cannot add plus 10 to the list. कि हर एलिमेंट में जाके 10 ऐड हो जाए. Are you getting my point, Nishal? Okay, Kevin. So अब इसके लिए क्या करेंगे? इसके लिए अपने को एक लूप चलाना पड़ेगा. For I in range 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Indexing starts with 4. पहले बिल्कुल सिंपल करा दूं. And then I have to write here A of I is equals to A of I plus 10. That means we are adding 10 to each index. पहली बार I की वैल्यू 0. Try to get my logic. जब I की वैल्यू 0 हुई तो A of 0 में क्या ऐड हुआ? A of 0 की वैल्यू 4 है. 4 plus 10 is equals to 14. इस तरह से आया समझ में? फिर I की वैल्यू 1 and so on. Understood? Okay. Now I'll run this program. It will work 100% accurately. Don't worry. प्रिंट नहीं कराया क्या कहीं पे? प्रिंट नहीं कराया ना बेटा? इसको प्रिंट भी तो कराना था. प्रिंट देखिए 14, 15, 16, 18. क्लियर? ठीक है. तो 10 is added to each element. Kevin, see here I am teaching you everything. आप अगर मेरी classes regularly you are attending, so आपको कहीं और जाने की जरूरत नहीं है. That's enough. Okay. So ये बात आपको समझ में आ गई कि only concatenation is allowed. That means we can add two strings together. That means the second string is added after the first string. ये concatenation है. If you want to add plus 10 or anything to individually to each element of the list, तो फिर आपको indexing करके looping करके you have to add numbers. Got it? Come to the point. Next is your, this was joining completed, and plus I have taught you one extra point. If you want to add something to each element, that I also covered. Now next point is your replicating list. लिखिए. This point is clear, so मैं इसको भी हटा रहा हूँ. अभी बहुत प्रोग्रामिंग कराऊंगा लिस्ट में. अभी छोटे छोटे प्रोग्राम करा रहा हूँ ताकि लिस्ट समझ में. रेप्लिकेटिंग नेक्स्ट वीक में हो सकता है कंप्लीट हो जाए लिस्ट. या 3 क्लासेस होंगी. रेप्लिकेटिंग लिस्ट. नाउ व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ रेप्लिकेशन? राइट इट. List, in list we can use the asterisk operator to replicate a list. For example, if you have a string like, if I write it here, if you have a string है, ओके, सो मैं एग्जाम्पल को करके ही दिखा देता हूँ। ये कमेंट्स में डाल दिया, a is equals to 4 5 6। अब ध्यान रखना बेटा, प्रिंट a into 3, सो रेप्लिकेट होगी ये लिस्ट, ध्यान से देखना। 4 5 6 one time, 4 5 6 2 time, 4 5 6 3 times. If I write 4 तो 4 times, 5 5 times, 2 2 times, and so on. समझ में आ गया? ठीक है, अगर हम इसको एक वेरिएबल में स्टोर करें b, ओके, एंड प्रिंट b करें, तो अभी रिजल्ट यही आने वाला है। ठीक है, सो यू कैन डायरेक्टली प्रिंट इट ऑल्सो, और यू कैन असाइन द वैल्यू टू अ वेरिएबल एंड देन डिस्प्ले द रिजल्ट। सो ये पॉइंट आपको बहुत अच्छी तरह समझ में आ रहे हैं? रेप्लिकेशन, ओके, do you have any question to ask? Please ask, unmute yourself and you can ask me question, because time is almost over. Do you have any problem? Please ask. No? Okay. Now I am giving you a question. Question I am giving you. अब आपने इतना लिस्ट बना लिया तो एक क्वेश्चन लिखिए. Write a program. This is the program I am giving. Write a program to enter numbers in a list and find the greater number, a greatest number among the numbers you have entered. Biggest number, whatever you want to write. Greatest, biggest, largest, whatever the word they have used. तो अगर मान लीजिए कि आपकी एक लिस्ट है, and list you have to enter even. ठीक है? See, I am running out of time, so this program I will take in the next class. मुझे याद दिला देना. I am saving it by the name save as and giving the name as big. Okay, so we'll meet in the next class because I am having 12 class just now. Okay, so take care. Bye. We'll meet in the next class. Take care. Bye.